Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue sur IFC, Irwin's French Class. Dans cette vidéo, we are covering an essential verb, aller, which means to go. After covering the conjugation chart of aller in the present tense, we are going to learn some prepositions to talk about places one can go to. As always, we will do some fun activities to revise and practice. C'est parti! Aller is an ER verb, therefore belongs to the first group of verbs in French. However, unlike the regular ER verb that we covered in a previous video, aller is an irregular verb. It means that, unfortunately, there is no way around for you guys but to learn the conjugation chart by heart, but don't worry, I'm here for you. Let's have a look at the conjugation of aller in the present tense. Let's pronounce the forms, so please repeat after me. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, on va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Très bien. Okay, before anything, let's focus on the pronunciation. Je vais, as you see in square brackets for phonetics, A-I-S is simply E. So, je vais. Va, V-A-S, and va, V-A are pronounced the same way. So, let's repeat. Tu vas, il va, elle va, on va. Nous and vous are actually the only regular forms for this verb, where we drop ER of the infinitive and add ONS for nous and EZ for vous. Just don't forget the liaisons. And let's repeat that. Nous allons, vous allez. Il, elle, once again, and with the nasal sound, on, with your nose, right? Let's repeat that. Ils vont, elles vont. Just like in English, aller is used to talk about going places. However, the prepositions linked to aller are more numerous in French than those in English. Wherever you go, it is mostly the preposition to that is used in English. For example, I'm going to the restaurant, I'm going to Sydney, I'm going to France, I'm going to the park. In French, things are slightly more complicated. In this video, we are going to review 6 different prepositions commonly used and explain why they are used. So these 6 prepositions are à, à la, à L apostrophe, au, and en. Use à plus definite articles. You remember those? Le, la, L apostrophe, les, to talk about specific places you are going. Be careful when A falls before le or les, the two words contract to O or O with an X, same pronunciation. For example, A plus le becomes O, je vais au cinéma, elle va au parc. Parc and cinéma are both masculine. Le cinéma, le parc. À la, that doesn't change, stays like that. Tu vas à la boulangerie. Ils vont à la piscine. A plus L apostrophe when the following noun starts with a vowel or an H. And that one doesn't change either. So, il va à l'université. Elle va à l'hôpital. A and les contract into O with an X. Nous allons au concert. These prepositions are mostly the same when we talk about countries and cities we are going. And we need to add en in the picture. But first, before I tell you what prepositions to use with a given country or city, let's talk about gender of countries and you'll see that for once it's super easy. Countries ending with an E are feminine. Par exemple, la France, l'Inde, l'Australie, la Turquie. Countries ending with an S are plural. Par exemple, les États-Unis, les Pays-Bas, les Philippines. The rest of the letters for masculine countries. Par exemple, le Japon, le Portugal, l'Iran, le Canada. As always in French, there are few exceptions. Le Mexique, le Cambodge, le Mozambique, le Zimbabwe. These countries end with an E, but they are masculine. And also don't overgeneralize this rule. This applies only to countries. If you have any doubt or need to brush up on gender in French, here is the link to my video covering it. Use en if you wish to go to a feminine country. Cet été, je vais en France et en Turquie. Also use en with countries starting with a vowel, regardless of their gender. Nous allons en Iran et en Inde. Use au with masculine countries. Vous allez au Portugal? Elles vont au Canada. Use au with an X with plural countries and be careful with the liaison when the country begins with a vowel. For example, and let's repeat that maybe, tu vas aux États-Unis, ils vont aux Philippines. Even easier than for the countries, use a with cities and islands. Par exemple, je vais à Marseille et à Aix-en-Provence. Ils vont à Singapour et après à Taïwan. Finally, also use aller in addition to the E pronoun, and that's pronounced as E. Be careful, not the letter Y, right? E. Alone. When say that you are leaving, j'y vais, that's typically what we say. As aller cannot stand alone in French, and a reference to a place needs to be made, even a non or unspecified. Now let's do some activities to revise and practice. For the first one, let's practice our pronunciation of the verb aller. Simply complete with the right form and focus on your pronunciation. Alright, let's start. Il va, très bien. Nous, be careful with the liaison. Nous allons, très bien. Elles, nasal vowel. Elles vont, that's good. On, same as il and elle. On va, that's right. Vous, vous allez, very good. Je vais. Elle va. Tu, same pronunciation, but add an S for the tu form. Tu vas. Ils vont. That's perfect. For the second one, link elements from the 4 columns to form logical sentences. Let's start with the first one. Samuel a envie de regarder un film. Il va, that's right, il va au cinéma. Cinéma is masculine, so you need to use au. That's perfect. Nous avons faim. Nous allons à la cafétéria. Cafétéria, that's self-service, that's feminine. À la cafétéria. Third, vous avez soif. Vous allez, that's perfect, good pronunciation, don't forget the liaison. Vous allez au café, perfect. Tu adores Paris. Tu vas, that's right, tu vas, where is Paris? En France, and use en because France is feminine. Elles ont cours. Cours, it's class, to have a class. Elles vont, that's right, elles vont à l'université. Perfect. J'ai sommeil. You remember the expressions with avoir sommeil, to be sleepy. J'ai sommeil. And here's the link, by the way, if you want to brush up on that. J'ai sommeil. Je vais au lit. And lit is masculine, that's why we use au in front of it. Je vais au lit. Perfect, guys. C'est tout pour cette vidéo. I hope that you enjoyed it. Write in the comments if you know more prepositions to use with aller. And please subscribe to my channel to help me going on and create more content to support your learning. À la prochaine. Salut. Ciao.